Good morning, Junior 4. I'm Miss Fatma Abdel Rauf Hamadnallah, and I will teach you science this year. Hope to enjoy studying science with me. In the last video, we said that we can benefit from understanding the adaptations of animals and plants in many ways to make human life easier. For example, 1. Humans wear fur or wool clothes in winter. Why? Or give a reason. To feel warm, similar to how animals use their fur to stay warm. 2. Sometimes humans travel to another country with better weather. This is similar to the migration of birds, seeking favorable conditions. Today, we are going to learn that the bodies of living organisms not only adapt on the outside, as seen in structural adaptations and organs such as calls, eyes, legs, scales, ears, and fur, but they also adapt on the inside in organs that we can't see, forming systems that we will talk about today. What is the meaning of a system? A system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific job. Okay? There are two systems in our body that help us adapt, which are the digestive system and the respiratory system. Okay, let's start with the digestive system. This system is responsible for breaking down food into small pieces to get energy in a process called the digestion process. Digestion process is the process of breaking down food into small chemical substances that the body can absorb and use for energy. Why do we need to eat food? Because food contains different nutrients such as vitamins, proteins, etc. And these nutrients give us the energy we need to perform or do functions such as heart beating, breathing, and thinking. Engage in or do activities such as talking, walking, and sleeping. Okay, let's talk about the structure of digestive system. The digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. So, the digestive system starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. Okay, let's start with the first organ, which is the mouth. The digestion process begins in mouth. That contains teeth. They crash food during chewing. Saliva. It's a liquid substance in mouth that moistens food and begin to break it. Tongue. It mixes food with saliva. Okay? Next organ. The esophagus. It's a long, muscular tube. The function of the esophagus. It moves the food down into stomach. Okay. The next organ. The stomach. It's a muscular sac-like organ. The function of the stomach. It mixes food with stomach acid and digestive enzymes. Stomach enzymes change food into a soupy liquid. Food stays in the stomach for a few hours, then moves to the winding tube called the small intestine. Okay? The small intestine. It's a long winding tube that is more than 6 meters in length. The pancreas and liver secrete juices that flow into the small intestine. Why? Or give a reason. To break food into nutrients or digested food. Okay. After the small The large intestine. It's a U-shaped tube that starts with the small intestine and ends with the anus. It absorbs water from undigested food, turning it into solid waste, which then comes out through the anus. That is the last organ we have. Now, you have to know that. How can we keep the digestive system healthy? 1. Chew the food well. 2. Don't eat much fast food. 3. Drink enough amount of water. Finally, here an important question, which is, what happens when one of the organs of the digestive system is absent? It couldn't do its function correctly. That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.